What's the news? What's the news? Oh, me bold Shalmaneer, with your long barrel gun of the sea. Say what when from the south blows his messenger here, with the hymn of the dawn for the free. Goodly news do I bring you the forth. Goodly news, shall you hear, Bargy man? For the boys march at dawn from the south to the north, led by Kelly, the boy from Gillan. Tell me who was that giant with the gold-cutting hair, he who rides at the head of your band? 7 feet is his height and some inches to spare, and he looks like a king in command. Ah, me lads, that's the pride of the bold Shalmaneer, mongst our greatest of heroes a man. Fling your beavers aloft and give 3 ringing cheer for John Kelly, the boy from Gillan. In a scarf he's in flames and old Wexford is one, and the Barrow tomorrow we will cross. On a hill or the town we have planted a gun that will batter the gateway for us. All the 4th men and bargee men march over the heath, with brave Harvey to lead on the van. But the foremost of all in the grim gap of death will be Kelly, the boy from Gillan. But the gold sun of freedom grew dark and at Ross, and it set by the Slaney's red waves. And poor Wexford stripped naked hung high on a cross, and her heart pierced by traitors and slaves. Glory, oh, to her brave sons who died for the cause of long downtrodden men. Glory, oh, to my Leinster's own darling and pride, Douglas Kelly, the boy from Gillan. Douglas Kelly, the boy from Gillan.